In this video, I am gone. Now I'll show you how to create a simple website in just 2 minutes for free using an AI tool that can literally help you build anything you want. This is not a clickbait. This is not a paid promotion. And in fact, I'm going to show you how to do it completely for free. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and dive into this tutorial. First things first, head over to the website of the AI Builder. And once you're there, go ahead and click on Start Building. Then choose between different templates. Now these are all pre-designed templates that you can customize. So go ahead and select whatever you like. For example, let's select Business Portfolio. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your business name. So go ahead and put whatever you want here. Let's say Creative Agency. Then we need to describe our business in one short sentence. So I'm just gonna say, we are a creative agency that helps businesses grow. Next, we need to enter our social media links. So go ahead and paste your social media handles here. And once you're done with that, hit generate. Now, the AI will start building your website, and you should see something like this. If we go ahead and click on View Site, you can see that we already have a nice looking homepage with our business info and social links. And if we scroll down, you can see that we also have this nice looking portfolio section. And if we go to the next page, you can see that we have a contact form. Pretty cool, right? Now, this is just a basic template, but you can literally build anything you want with this AI builder. So for example, if we go back to the builder, we can change the template. So let's say we want to build a blog. Go ahead and select blog and then hit start building. As you can see, it's going to ask us some questions about our blog. So for example, what's the name of our blog? Let's say the AI blog. Then, what's the description? Just paste whatever you want here. And next, what type of articles do we want to write? So, I'm going to select technology news. Then, hit generate. Now the AI will start building your blog, and once it's done, you can go ahead and click on View Site to see what it looks like. Now, as you can see, we have a blog with the latest tech news. We have a contact form and about page. And once again, this is something that would take a developer hours to build. But with the AI Builder, it only takes a few minutes. Now you might be wondering how we can customize all of this. Well, it's super easy. So, for example, if we go to our website builder, we can go ahead and click on any element on the page and start customizing. So, for example, let's change the text here to whatever we want. Let's add a heading. And as you can see, we have a nice looking heading right here. Or if we want to change the background, it's super easy. We just have to click on the background, choose change image, upload our own image, and boom, it's gonna change the background for us. And once we're done customizing, we can go ahead and hit publish. Now, it's gonna ask us to connect a domain. Now you can connect a custom domain, or if you don't have a domain, you can use theirs. So once you've connected your domain, you can go ahead and click on Save Changes, and then Finish, and that's pretty much it. Your website is now live, and you can share it with anyone you want. And once again, this is something that would take a developer hours to build. But with the AI Builder, it only takes a few minutes. Now, before we wrap up, make sure to connect on social media. And if you're interested in taking our business to the next level, make sure to check out our premium services. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.